LG XBOOM XL7 review. Is this the loudest party speaker on wheels? Spoiler: it slaps. Ever been that person at the party with a tiny speaker that sounds like it's drowning in a cereal bowl? Yeah, we've all been there. You bring the vibes, but your gear just isn't keeping up. Your Bluetooth speaker dies halfway through your playlist, your bass sounds like a sad sneeze, and your lighting effects are basically a phone flashlight. It's frustrating, it's embarrassing, and honestly, it kills the party faster than a spilled beer. If you've ever felt the sting of being the weak link in the hype chain, welcome to the club, but this is your exit ticket. Let's get real. Mediocre's sound is a vibe killer. You're fighting background noise, shouting over flat beats, and praying your battery doesn't tap out mid-song. And don't even get us started on those speakers that freeze up in the rain or fumble the bass when the energy's just peaking. The pressure's on to be the life of the party, but your tools? They're letting you down, again and again. Missed memories, dropped connections, zero stage presence. You start asking, why do I even bother? But here's the truth. You're not the problem, the gear is. And it's time you upgraded your party game. Meet the LG XBOOM XL7 portable tower speaker, the festival-grade, bass-blasting, LED-pixelated party beast that rolls wherever the vibe takes you. This isn't a speaker, it's a full-blown experience. With a massive 8-inch woofer, dual tweeters, and customizable multicolor light shows, it's engineered to shake the lawn, pool, or dance floor without losing clarity. Got something to say? Program your own scrolling text displays on the LED panel. Hosting karaoke? It's got dual mic and guitar inputs. And if you're worried about battery, don't be. This juggernaut runs for up to 20 hours, rain or shine. Yep, it's IPX4 water resistant. From tailgates to beach days, the XBOOM XL7 turns every location into a scene. You can control everything from the LG XBOOM app, fine-tune your EQ, loop effects like a DJ, or just hit play and let it work its magic. And yeah, it rolls, literally, with a telescopic handle and wheels that make it smoother than your uncle's two-step. Whether you're hyping up a crowd or just vibing with friends under the stars, this speaker transforms moments. So if you're tired of weak sound and dead batteries killing your energy, now's your chance to flip the script. Click the link. Read the specs. Prepare to have your eardrums blessed. This is your go big or stay quiet moment. Thousands have already joined the XBOOM movement, and stock's moving fast. Don't get left behind at the volume minimum. Secure your XL7 now before they're gone. Whether you're chasing louder beats, brighter lights, or longer battery life, this speaker delivers all three, and then some. No more awkward silences. No more low battery panic. No more boring block parties. This is your soundtrack, your rules. Crank it, claim it. Party like a legend. Buy now, limited stock. Let's get loud.